Hi guys, Jason Craig here and welcome to another training healthy Christmas recipe series. In the next few days, we're going to be looking at some super healthy yet fun recipes. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
Nutrition, exercise, rest. The ingredients needed for optimum health. A simple combination until the demands of life are added. This is especially true for working professionals who spend 8 hours or more at their respective discipline, concentrating their full attention to advancing the corporate ladder while neglecting the body that supports their success. If this sounds like you, then you have come to the right channel. By making a few simple adjustments, you can dramatically transform your life, and I'm here to show you how. My name is Jason Craig, and as an ex-airline pilot who was always on the go, working out in hotel rooms and eating what's available, I understand the challenges of trying to be healthy on a busy schedule. So join me as we uncover more healthy solutions for busy professionals like you.
Alright guys, it's day number 5 and we're gonna switch things up a bit. We're gonna be skipping over to some vegan recipes. So in today's video, we'll be looking at 4 healthy vegan recipes for weight loss. Again, it's brought to you by the Serious Fitness YouTube channel. Link will be in the description. So let's jump right into this delicious vegan recipe.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, 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 do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I'm free. You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you.
Alright guys, hope you enjoy that video. Most importantly, incorporate it into your Christmas cooking. Remember guys, some of these things can be swapped out with local foods that we have here, so feel free to experiment. Just use these as a guide so you can still have fun eating what you love in a healthier way. If you guys love this video, share it with 3 friends that might be interested in this. Also, if you have not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. Until our next video, Jason Craig here, providing healthy solutions for busy professionals like you.